Pull up.
Damn. Don't run out in front of me, man. Alright, so check it out. We are here at a oh, he's that guy. At a BMW car event. I guess this is something called 50 years of M or something like that. But the car is actually clean. I totally forgot about this event. I cleaned the car about 10 o'clock last night when I realized this event was going on today. So, and here we are. Cool. Hopefully we'll see a lot of cool BMW M cars today. Now here's just a quick bird's eye view of the cars rolling in. I did get there a little bit early, but it's cool to see all the cars rolling in. A lot of old BMWs, but also new BMWs all in one area. Beautiful facility here at the LeMay Car Museum. Absolutely love the variety of cars here. GTS, always got to show love to the GTS. BMW M1, which I know nothing about, but it's cool to see in person. And in the meantime, I didn't film much, so I only stayed there for a little bit because I had other plans. There's something else that I wanted to do in order for me to get home to make it to my family engagement. Alright, so left the meet a little bit early since I'm in the area. I decided to go up the Canyon Road. We are on Sunrise Road, which is an overlook to Mount Rainier. It's an awesome road, by the way. If you're local, come check it out. A little bit bumpy, but if you want a nice twisty road in the area, this is one of the good ones. But 20 miles an hour speed limit, okay. Yeah, I'm going near 60. But yeah, we'll get back to you in just a minute. Film what I can. Woo! Oh shit! Oh fuck! Trying to drive spiritedly while holding my phone really doesn't do all that well. Plus this road's really bumpy. There's no one on this road, which is pretty cool. That last bump, that was a big bump, but that back end kicked up. I'm pretty sure the back end kicked up and got a little bit of air. But let me get back to driving. I'm trying to drive and film at the same time. Pretty hard. All right, brake here. Pretty cool. Let's go. Awesome. All right, made it up the mountain. We're probably gonna do a group trip up here pretty soon, so I'm not gonna record it, anything right now until we do the group trip. But we're getting high enough. We're getting up to the tree line, and we're almost to the top. But always an awesome drive. I wouldn't mind coming here every week if I could. It's just so far away. Oh, you could barely even see the mountain due to all the fire smoke. Otherwise, the mountain would be free and clear, but I don't know if you can make it out on camera. With all this haze, you can barely even see the mountain. I don't know if you guys can see this on camera. And it's midday right now, and you can stare directly at the sun. I don't know where it's at. Oh, it's behind the clouds / smoke. There it is. Yeah, really, really hazy out here. And you can really smell all that smoke from all the forest fires.
The next morning.
Just not a fan. And you guys are telling me to trade in my Supra for one of these? Come on, guys. I mean, no.
No, 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 no. Hell no, no, no. I refuse. No, no.
right at home in the twisties. I don't know if they repaved this, but there's not as much potholes as I remember last time I came out here with the STI. I don't know. That's cool. God, it's such a beautiful lake. This is Lake Cushman. Beautiful lake. Once we get a view of the lake, we'll go ahead and stop and get you guys a view of just how beautiful it is. We got a bunch of these waterfalls here. This is awesome. Oh yeah, beautiful. Oh, you got a little seaplane out there. That's cool. I don't know if you guys can tell. These views are absolutely stunning. Man. Woo. Dude, this is freaking sick. Fantastic. About to go through this narrow road. Got a bunch of people out there swimming, kayaking. Man. We got a little bridge up there. I wonder if you can jump off that bridge. You probably could. Into the water. That's dope. That's dope. Talk about some scenery, man. Look at the car. It's super dirty. That's okay. The roads weren't even all that bad, to be honest with you. That water is so clear. Wow. Let me take a walk across this bridge. In the wintertime, these are all covered up with snow. So this is all probably really cold snow melt water. Maybe there's some good fishing out here too. I don't know anything about fishing though, so cool. You can see the guys on top. Oh, there you go. Hell yeah. That's cool. That's awesome. Yeah. I want to fall. Oh, I'll break something. I got some more jumpers coming up. This is sick. Fantastic. Boy, do I got some cleaning up to do, that is for sure. Woo. Fuck it. Let's go rally the BMW. Woo! Woo! I'm just joking. I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, this road ain't so bad. I'm doing about 25 miles an hour. It is bumpy. It is a gravel road, but you know, it's just not bad at all. So definitely doable, even if you have a lower car. There's nothing that's really sticking out. There's no really big potholes or anything like that. You know, they really did put in some work. Now, I wish it was paved, but you know, it is what it is.
1 week later.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. So check this out, guys. I am loving the way the car looks. The detail turned out great after that run on that gravel road. Beautiful views, by the way. I do want to go back again before the weather turns again. But we did polish the car. Meguiar's M205, Sonax Perfect Finish. And then we went ahead and coated the entire car. So 1 coat of Crystal Serum Light, 2 coats of EXO. And the paint looks absolutely fantastic. Also, the wheels and calipers were also detailed. So we did CarPro Deluxe, 2 coats on the wheels, and also 2 coats on all of the calipers, just to, for the ease of maintenance. Engine bay is nicely detailed, looks almost brand new under the engine bay. Just a couple things I got to touch up. But also the interior I didn't show, that was also detailed. But the car looks absolutely fantastic. I don't know if it's going to ever look this good ever again. But, oh, did I mention the PPF on the front clip? That too. So big shout out to my boy David for doing that. Supra is sitting right out there. But yeah, more content to come. I really do appreciate you guys supporting the channel. Go ahead and drop that like, subscribe, all that stuff. I know I don't say that enough. But you guys are awesome. Stay awesome. We'll talk to you guys later. Peace out, guys.